Hello there. There's going to be a nasty echo in this video, so I'm going to keep my voice down as much as possible. Today's video is going to be a review of an indie brand. This is the brand of, well, the brand's name is Twisted Allure. So I'm in the bathroom. Can you guess what products they make? Okay, you've had enough time now. Bath products. That's why I'm in the bathroom, because I'm going to be also testing out a couple of them in the trusty old tub. Yeah, we're gonna get into this. And you're gonna get my reactions for every product. Ooh. So right on top is this. And this is a bath bomb. Yes, this is a bath bomb. So this is the Beetlejuice bath bomb. And dang, that looks really cool. That is really cool. So that's the first thing. The next thing, ooh, it's a bath wash. This is the Twisted Allure Lydia bath wash, and its smell is apple rose, and it's got glitter in it. It's got glitter. So let's have a sniff. Sealed. Oh, that smells like a toffee apple. Oh, so good. Oh my god. Oh, that is so good. I haven't had a toffee apple in at least a decade. My mom used to buy them for me when, oh my god, it would be longer than that. There's a major chain supermarket in Australia called Woolworths. Well, there's Woolworths and Coles. But back in the 90s, Woolworths used to be called Franklin's Fresh. And we always used to go to Franklin's Fresh and she would buy me a toffee apple. Good memories. Good memories. Also, look at the packaging. Beetlejuice themed. That's so cool. So cool. So next up is a hand soap, and this is the Beetlejuice hand soap, Sandalwood, Midnight Jasmine, and Oak Moss. Oh, that's good. Oh my god. One thing I love in life is sensory pleasure. Everybody who knows me knows I cook by my sense of smell, my olfactory centers. That's how I've always kind of cooked, because if it doesn't smell nice, I don't want it. Anyway, back on subject. That is so nice. And nothing, it doesn't compare to the smell of this, mainly because of nostalgia reasons, but that's still so nice, especially for a hand soap. Some hand soaps are smelling really gross out there, but that one's good. Next up, I'm guessing this is another bath bomb because it's in bubble wrap. Ah, it's the sandworm. That is so well made. I almost don't want to use them because they look so fantastic. But upon using them, that means, you know, shopping day. Well, online shopping day. So this is the Death by Sandworm bath bomb, and far out, like the incredible craftsmanship of these bath bombs. Incredible, incredible. So what else do we have here? This is the next one, Ghost with the Most Whipped Sugar Scrub. Ooh, body exfoliants. That smells really good. I'm trying to think of what smell that is. Fruit punch. It reminds me of some candy that I used to have. I can't think of it for the life of me. But yeah, it's got really cool ghost in the middle. What is that made of? Oh, I think it's just a resin additive to make it look really cool. But I know I'm exfoliating my body with that tonight. Yes! I'm gonna be smelling real good. We've got another one, another whipped sugar scrub. This is the Death by Sandworm and Death and Decay type. What do you smell like? Very sudsy. This reminds me of the bubble baths that I used to use as a kid, mixed with a bit of sunscreen. And I'm not opposed to the smell of sunscreen. I wear it every single day almost. So it's pretty normal for me, but a mixture of bubble bath and sunscreen. And it's got the sandworm on top as well, so, oh. And the final item is Miss Argentina Whipped Sugar Scrub. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be the most exfoliated person on the planet. A seductive blend of plums, apples, fresh citrus, and musk. Oh, I'm excited for this one. Oh. Oh, that's nice. Definitely can smell the musk. That's 100% like bam in your face. The citrus is a little bit on the dull side, but I'm not mad. This smells good. It's like radioactive pink and green. That's so cool. Now I've got it all over my hands. Oh, that is so awesome. I am so happy with this. So happy, you guys. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to use one of these bath bombs. You can tell that from the window it's still technically daytime, but it is, I think it's like 6 o'clock at night. So around when I take my baths. So I am going to use one of these. I'll film the dissolving process because I rather like that. Then I will close off this video and then hop in the tub and soak myself. And because I love my tubs extremely hot, I'm going to be a little lobster. Yeah. I might exfoliate myself at the same time too. So which bath bomb am I going to use? Pick now. Oh, I'm a Libra. I hate making decisions. I'm gonna go with this one, simply because it was the first one I pulled out. So, yeah, I hope I'm making the right decision. Bloody. If any of us ever go out for food, I'm just warning you, never, ever, ever, ever ask me where to go, because I will probably annoy you with my indecisiveness. So, there's that. Let us run this bath now. You guys are never gonna believe what just happened. I dropped it. I dropped it. I suck. I suck. So, we're gonna still try. Try desperately. I am so sorry. So let's just zoom in. Whoop, pull out my sleeve. Ooh, very nice. That's quite terrifying looking. I love it. Oh, I love that. That's so cool. Let's go with another part. Oh man, I'm so sorry I dropped this. Is it just me, or do other people love the feeling of a bath bomb just kind of like dissolving in their hands? I don't know, it's like a mini spa bath for your hand. So cool. Ooh. The color. It's a beautiful turquoise color. I don't know if it's translating properly on camera. Oh, that reminds me of like Jupiter. Jupiter's my favorite planet. And it's like a blue-green version of Jupiter. And its patterns and swirls. Just look at that! Oh my god! So beautiful. So calming too. So I hope you enjoyed this video, even though I'm talking quietly. I am in the bathroom and I don't want that whole echo reverb kind of thing going on. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I would love to be here for every single video. Like this video if you liked this unboxing and want me to try out more indie companies. Also, if you want to check out Twisted Allure, all the links are down below, and yeah, I highly recommend them because it smells awesome, and the products, the packaging, I mean, and then the attention to detail with these bath bombs. I mean, part of me is just like, no, don't use them, they look too good, but the other half is like, do it, just do it. It's kind of like that, you know, that Dark Kermit meme, which is dead now. Comment down below if there's something you'd like to see on this channel, and if there's any companies that you would like me to try out, leave them down below, because I will definitely at least check them out and probably end up purchasing something because I can't help myself. And I hope you all have an amazing, wonderful, fantabulous day. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.